Now that we have complete the HTML structure of our student portal, let's move on to style it using CSS and make it look clean and user friendly. First of all, header section. Sorry. First of all, this is the header section of my index.html page. First, I am styling the header section because it's the first thing users see. Now I am adding the background color to make it visually distinct and setting the text color to white so it stand over clearly. Then I am align the text to center. It gives a clean and balanced look. Okay, and I am also adding padding to create space around the text so it does feel cramped. Okay, this is the code of my this header section page. Okay. Mm, then I design a navigation section. Okay. Then design this navigation bar styling. Okay. And next I am working on the navigation bar. By default, a list item appear the vertically, but it's a modern website. We want them horizontally aligned, and so I will be use the flexbox to arrange them in a row. Yes, I use the flexbox property for the nav bar. Yes, this side. There's display flex. This is display flex. Start with the display flex to apply the property of flexbox in my navbar section. Yes, and I'm also removing the default list styling like a bullet to make it look clean. And then I will be add the spacing between each menus and item. They don't look crowded. For the links, I will remove the underline and styling them with the color and matches the theme. Finally, I will be add the hover effect. This is hover effect. And when the user to move the mouse over the link, it give a visual response to improve user experience. This is my code review. This is the hover property I will use. Yes. Then the main content styling. Now I will be style the main content area. Main content areas. Yes. This is the code of a main content area. Now it will style the main content area. Here the goal is readability, so I will be add the some margin and padding to create space around the text, and I might to also adjust font style and the spacing, font style and the spacing slightly so content is easier to read. Yes. Now I'm styling the footer style. Content containers. Okay, this is the footer style. Yes. Lastly, I'm styling the footer. It will be kept simple and consistent with the header by using the similar background color. The text will be clear and add some padding so it look the neat and properly spaced. Units. I'm using a units. The quick note. I'm using the units like pixel for fixed spacing. This help to maintain consistent design and across the layout. 6 here. And that is the way it's just a basic CSS. We are transforming simple HTML structure into the clean and friendly student portal layout. Thank you so much.